Hello and welcome to Touch to Click. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to stop redirects in Google Chrome and prevent unwanted websites from automatically sending you to other pages. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open Google Chrome on your computer and click the 3 vertical dots in the top right corner of the browser window. These dots open the main menu where you can control Chrome's settings and features. From the drop-down list, select Settings to access your browser controls. Step 2. Once you are inside Settings, look at the left-hand panel and click on Privacy and Security, then choose Site Settings. This section allows you to manage permissions and control how websites behave in your browser. It is important because it helps protect your browsing experience. Step 3. Scroll down through the Site Settings page until you find the option called Pop-ups and Redirects. Click on it to open the redirect control settings. This is where you manage whether websites are allowed to open pop-ups or automatically redirect you. Step 4. Make sure the default behavior is set to Don't allow sites to send pop-ups or use redirects. If it is not selected, click to enable it so Chrome can block unwanted redirects. This setting helps keep your browsing safe and prevents annoying or harmful website jumps. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tutorials.